Attention! All hints and tips shown here are personal experiences and serve as support. The repair is at your own risk. Hint: repairing tools. All repairing tools used by us in the video can be found in our webshop. Just follow the links in the video description. This repair is only recommended for people with advanced experience in repairing smartphones. On the one hand, the LCD screen is extremely strong glued, and on the other hand, you have to transfer several components from the old LCD screen to the new one. Both carries the danger that something is damaged, or there are mistakes whose cause can then be difficult to understand. Please write us in the comments on how difficult you felt the repair. Separating the LCD screen from the middle cover. Power off your device. Remove the SIM card tray, for example with the help of a paperclip. Hint: this screw storage tool is very useful for the repair. Alternatively, you can of course also consider your own screw storage system, for example with a magnetic mat or double-faced adhesive. Remove 2 screws beside the dock connector. Heat the LCD screen from the front along its edges. Fix the suction cup in the lower area of the LCD screen. Try to slide the plectrum tool between LCD screen and middle cover while raising up the LCD screen by pulling on the suction cup. Attention! The LCD screen is glued extremely strong. It is very difficult to slide the plectrum tool into the thin gap between LCD screen and middle cover. Heat again and again and be very patient. If you do not succeed with the plectrum tool, you have to take a metal spudger. This is only recommended if there is no other solution, because with a metal tool you will risk damaging the LCD screen or the LCD frame. In our case, we used a scalpel, but we would recommend using alternatively the following metal spudger from our repairing tool list. iSesamo Premium Opening Tool Metal Spudger, very thin. As soon as you succeed to slide the spudger between LCD screen and middle cover, you can use the plectrum tool as a placeholder and take a second plectrum tool, alternatively a spudger, to lever once around the whole LCD screen. Keep on heating again and again while levering. Keep on heating in between and slowly loosen the adhesive. If the LCD screen is released completely from the middle cover, you can open it carefully to the right side. There are 2 flex cables located at the right side, LCD and touchscreen. Do not damage them. Remove the suction cup from the LCD screen. Remove 4 screws from the covering of the first flex cable. Remove the covering with the tweezer. Release the 2 flex connectors located underneath the removed covering with the help of the spudger. Remove 2 screws from the covering of the second flex cable and take the covering aside. Release also the flex connector located underneath this covering with the help of the spudger. Now the LCD screen is separated completely from the middle cover. Before assembling the new LCD screen, you have to transfer some components of the old LCD screen to the new one. Home button flex cable, speaker module, front camera, backplate. Removing the home button flex cable. Release the 4 screws of the home button covering and remove the covering with a tweezer. Release the home button connector with the help of the plectrum tool and the spudger. Attention! The connector is glued. Heat the home button slightly from the front side. Release the home button flex cable carefully with the help of the spudger. Push the home button from the front side through the opening. Removing speaker module and front camera. Remove 3 screws from the covering of the speaker module. Remove the covering with a tweezer. Remove the speaker module with a tweezer. Heat the front camera slightly from the front side. Release the front camera with the spudger and remove it with a tweezer. Removing the backplate. The backplate is fixed by 6 lateral screws. Remove these 6 screws. Raise the backplate carefully with a spudger. Attention! Start raising in the upper area because a flex cable is fixed at the back side in the lower area of the plate. Heat it slightly and release the flex cable carefully with the spudger before you remove the backplate completely. Now we will test the new LCD screen for functionality before transferring the removed components to the new LCD screen. Backplate, front camera, speaker module, home button flex cable. Testing the new LCD screen for functionality. Connect the LCD screen as well as the battery to test the new LCD screen for functionality. Power off the device. Release the LCD flex connector with the help of the spudger. Fixing the backplate. Lay down the backplate and adjust it. Push the plate slightly down and fix the 6 screws laterally. Front camera and speaker module. Insert and adjust the front camera module and push it down slightly with the spudger. Push down all components of the module one after the other. Lay down the speaker module. Fix the speaker module with 3 screws. Fix also the covering of the speaker module with 3 screws. Fixing the home button flex cable. Thread the home button module through the opening in the LCD screen and adjust it. Fix the flex cable of the home button by pushing it slightly. Fix the connector with the help of the tweezer and the spudger. Fix the covering of the home button module with 4 screws. Testing the LCD screen for functionality. Link the battery connector. Connect the new LCD screen to the middle cover. Power on the device. Test the LCD screen for functionality. Power off the device. In the second part of the video, we've changed our working mat to show a direct comparison between light blue and dark blue checkered. We would be glad if you would leave us a short feedback in the comments. Which working mat you like better and which you think we should use for future videos. Thanks. Attaching the adhesive for fixing the LCD screen on the frame of the middle cover. Free the frame of the middle cover from adhesive residuals. To do this, heat the frame slightly and use a metal spudger as well as tweezers to remove the adhesive residuals. Finally, clean the frame with a toothbrush soaked in spirit. Remove the protective foil from the adhesive for fixing the LCD screen. Adjust the adhesive on the frame of the middle cover and push it slightly. Push the adhesive solid with the help of the spudger. Finally, do also remove the protective foil from the back side of the adhesive. Closing the device. Link the LCD screen to the middle cover. Tip: lean the LCD screen against an object, for example a bottle of spirit, after connecting it to the middle cover to prevent damaging the flex cables. Use the tweezer to lay down the first flex cable covering and fix it with 2 screws. Lay down the LCD screen loosely to the middle cover and switch it on to test for functionality. Power off the LCD screen and clap it aside again. Do also fix the second covering with 4 screws. Remove the left protective foil of the LCD screen adhesive. Fix the LCD screen on the middle cover by pushing slightly. Start pushing in the upper area of the LCD screen until it is locked in. Then you can continue pushing in the lower area and once around. Switch on the LCD screen and test again for functionality. Insert the SIM card tray. Fix the 2 screws beside the dock connector. If you want to know how to replace the battery of your iPhone 7, then do also watch the following video from our playlist: iPhone 7 battery replacement.